Introduction. This is the course that will change your outlook towards candlestick charts. And the first thing that we'll discuss is what is candlestick chart, its history, its details, and the formation of candlesticks. Then we will start simple patterns, and then we will go towards the complex patterns section. So it's not just one pattern, it's many patterns. In the simple patterns, we will discuss big black candle. This is the candle that changes the game plan completely. Then we will discuss big white candle, the power of it, black body, doji candle, the candle that spins the game, the trading plan, dragonfly doji, gravestone doji. So they are all different dojis. And long-legged doji. If it happens on the bottom, it completely changes the trend from the fall till the uptrend. Then we will discuss hanging man, hammer, and inverted hammer, along with long lower shadow and long upper shadow. Now these two shadow patterns, they are simply often. These candlestick really gives you the complete picture. It tells you how on the fall people come in to buy, how you can pick a major player is coming in to buy or not. And these two candles just show that. Marbuzu, the big candle, the candle that helps you understand that okay, the uptrend will continue, is not over. Just sit tight, you'll make more money. Then we'll discuss shooting star, spinning top, white body, and shaven bottom, along with shaven head. In the complex patterns, we will discuss what is complex chart pattern. And then we will discuss bearish harami and bearish harami cross, the most important trends. Then we will discuss the game changer, what I call the best formation, bearish 3 method formation. If it happens, expect the market to fall further down. No questions asked. Bullish 3 method formation. If this happens, then the bull run will come here to stay. And these two patterns are formed by big players. Normal retail investors, they cannot form this pattern. Even all complex patterns are like for the experienced player. No common player can form these patterns just by putting in a small buy order. Then we will discuss bullish harami along with bullish harami cross. Then we will discuss dark cloud cover and engulfing bearish line. And the patterns that we are discussing, we are not just discussing PowerPoint plus slides. We are discussing with chart examples. So you will be seeing both of them in all these lectures. Engulfing bullish, evening doji star, and evening star all comes with presentation and chart examples. So you can see on the real chart how it looks, how falling window makes the price fall further, how morning doji star changes from a bull run to a bear run. Then I will show you morning star and on neckline. 3 black crows. If they come up, boom, it's going down. Don't risk your money. If you're short sell, be happy. It will make you more money. Then we will discuss 3 white soldiers along with tweezer bottoms and tweezer tops. Then it comes doji star and piercing line. These are what I call the trends that helps you pick what is really happening, if you are on the right track or not. Then comes rising window along with bearish 2 method and bullish 2 method formation. Now these two formations are also like commendable. They are powerful. But bullish and bearish 3 method is more powerful than them. But the 2 method formation is equally important, but in its own right. Then we discuss real charts. aka still, it's a penny stock. We discuss intraday, daily, and weekly chart. And we discuss a normal blue chip stock, Netflix, in the daily, intraday, and weekly charts. Then we move to cryptocurrency and we discuss Bitcoin on the long term, weekly, and daily chart, along with rules for trading. Then I show you other technical tools. Example, how can you virtually trade? Support and resistance, and VIX tools. VIX tools is one of the most important tool for like experienced traders. You will like watch experienced trader and he will tell you this is one of the most important tool in his trading plan. And that's why I brought it here. Then we will discuss forex trading, how candlestick works on the forex trading. And then right at the end of this course, I will discuss how stock market operates and how price moves in trend. And in the bonus lecture, you can find unbelievable discounted courses. And it's a limited time offer, so it won't be available every time. Then we will discuss disclaimer and thank you for taking this course.